This is just Julia.
He's not allowed to say anymore.
I'm the pet right now.
Yeah, and this is our pet.
This is going on my
Elliot.
YouTube channel.
She's
Hi,
very
welcome to my
but guess what? We like her. Yeah, hi Julia, how you doing?
Hi Craig, how are you?
I'm good.
We're being very respectful,
Exactly.
keeping our distance.
Logan,
Exactly.
house tour.
Our
This is the
significant others will
kitchen
love
where we
us
make
because our
food.
distance.
This is the dining room where I dine. This is the couch.
Air high.
Yo, what's good?
Logan, basement.
What's your street name?
Stick a curry matcha with the blicky.
What's your real
You
name?
found your moo.
Man. My street name's pretty good.
What's your street name? Gang, what's your street name?
I can't say that.
Big dick with the blicky blicky.
Hey, what's your real name?
Bartholomew the Third.
Get set.
Oh, whoa, not like this. There we go. We got YN Rocco right here. Throw him some gang signs, Rocco. We got Henri or Enrique. We got Clarabelle. We got Malcolm X right there. This is Antony. Thomel. This is Patty Rick. And this is Craigie Poo.
Oh yeah, we're recording. Hey, tuba, berry sax.
That's gonna be the best recording duet. Patty, you found your moo. Moo. Moo.
Wait, Logan's posting.
Hey, stand by.
I'm posting this. It's public too. I'm keeping it in. Cool run.
Who sang it?
Five.
Four.
Stop.
Four.
We already did 4.
It's Malachi on 5.
Yeah.
Malachi's
Hey, this is going on.
5. We did 4 on Tuesday.
Now it's Malachi on 5.
Five.
That was. I heard that.
Ready, set.
Moo.
2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
10, 11, 12, 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point on two. Moo. All that spit went on my shoe. Six, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2. Bum bum. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is mayonnaise an instrument? On the road, what's so funny? Five, 6, 7. Six, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 6, 7. Whoopsies.
Check. Adjust. Cool, stand by. Show me with your thumbs how that run works for you. Okay, cool. Any notes from the top?
Craig, I missed a note at the end. Moo. You found your moo. Here's our amazing drum line. We're missing a few people.
I don't know. It's probably at that
Huh?
Y'all, I actually cooked. Bro, I actually
What'd you think of this, Christy? What'd you think of this?
On Patrick's POV.
Spencer, did you find your moo?